The all-new 2032R and 2038R compact utility tractors have been completely redesigned from the ground up by John Deere. The 2R series now have higher horsepower, more weight, more width, and more length for more stability. You can also add 2.4-inch wheel spacers on each side to further widen the rear tread setting to 59.9 inches. With operator-friendly twin-touch foot controls, it's easy to select both speed and direction of travel with the two-range hydrostatic transmission's smooth, infinite speeds. An ergonomic operator station improves operator comfort and increases visibility. And a thick rubber floor mat helps shield vibration and noise from the operator. With cruise control as standard equipment on 2R series tractors, operators can maintain a desired operating speed. The innovative E-throttle feature ties engine's RPMs to either of the twin-touch pedals. Better yet, E-throttle reduces fuel consumption by lowering engine RPM when not needed. Work later or earlier thanks to the 2R's optional premium lighting package that give the 2R series tractor a clear advantage over the competition. Whether you need to use a front-end loader, mid-mount mower, backhoe, or any other compatible implement, you can choose from 7 different combinations to customize how your 2R series tractor is equipped. With 2 more implement configurations than on the previous model, this level of versatility lets you match your application needs. The new 220R front-end loader with a higher rollback angle of 35 degrees. The new loader design provides a larger max height lift capacity of 1,120 pounds and a higher max lift height of 85 inches at the pivot point. You'll also notice the curved boom for better visibility and a larger knee joint for greater durability. This quick park loader makes the on-off process pretty simple and speedy. The integrated parking stand serves as an easy storage solution. A new heavy-duty bucket is available. The larger 57-inch bucket features 2 integrated bucket loops, allowing for easy transport of various material to move or lift. A new single-point hydraulic coupler. It simplifies hookup of 4 hoses down to just 1 lever with no hydraulic oil mess. Our industry-exclusive Auto Connect drive-over mower decks ensure an easy attach and detach process. Without leaving the seat, the operator can hook up and be ready to work in minutes. And to make the Auto Connect mid-mount mower deck even more productive and precise, we now offer an industry-exclusive feature called Command Cut, an electronic height-of-cut control system for fast, accurate adjustments. Simply turn a dial to set the height of cut. Then touch a lever to raise or lower the deck to that exact repeatable cut height every time. And since it doesn't tie up a hydraulic connection, you can leave the deck on and still use the tractor for high-demand hydraulic work. Reliability is another important factor in a small tractor, and the 2032R or 2038R are built to simplify and streamline serviceability, minimizing the time and effort it takes to perform maintenance tasks on a daily or as-needed basis. To get more work done between fill-ups, the 8.6-gallon tank capacity offers an 18% advantage over similar competitor tractors, and we've relocated the fuel tank to allow for easy filling from ground level. A nearly effortless engine oil check ensures it'll be done regularly, no panels to remove, and you don't have to open the hood to access the dipstick. But when you need to access the engine, you'll appreciate these 4/4 turn fasteners. All 2R series tractors are equipped with an electronic air filter restriction indicator that alerts the operator when to clean or change the air filter. Another way we save time and money for you is by extending the hydraulic fluid service interval to 1,200 hours. That's how the new 2R series large chassis tractors from John Deere will earn their keep on any property. Stop by your John Deere dealer for a test drive today.